Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear students, hope you fine. You have learned lesson 2, the sound of music. Part 1, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. And part 2, the Shanai of Bismillah Khan. And poem 2, Wind. Today, you are going to write a test. First one, extract. Roman letter 1, read the extracts and answer the questions. Is for 3 marks. The barber of a family of professional musicians who had access to the royal palace decided to improve the tonal quality of the pungi. Questions: what is pungi? Second one, what decision did the barber take? Third one, name the lesson. Write the name of the lesson in which the extract is taken from. Each question carries 1 mark. This is the second extract. This is from poem. First one is from prose. Now I'll read the stanza. All of you listen carefully. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Questions: what can the wind do? Second one, what did the wind tear? And third one, name the poet. Write the name of the poet. Roman letter 2, answer the following questions briefly. Short answer type questions. There are 2 questions given. Each one carries 2 marks. Total marks are 4. First one, how old was Evelyn Glennie when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Second one, Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? First one is from lesson 2 in textbook and the second question is from lesson 2 in supplementary reader. Third Roman letter, answer the following questions elaborately. Long answer type questions. There are 2 questions given. Each question carries 5 marks. Total marks are 10. First one, how does Evelyn hear music? Second one, what moral lesson do we take from Arthur's grandfather in the story? First one is from lesson 2 in textbook and second question is from lesson 2 in supplementary reader. Revise lesson 2 in textbook and supplementary reader and poem 2 thoroughly before attending the test. The test is only for 20 marks. Write the test in your test notebook or paper. Read lesson 2 before attending the extract. After writing test, refer to your classwork notebook and check your answers. Do self-correction and allot marks for the correct answers. If you have done well, you keep it up. Otherwise, rewrite the test. If there is any spelling mistake, you have to rewrite that word 5 times. If you have not written any answer correctly, then you rewrite the answer after learning. All the best, students. That's all for today. Thank you very much.